I did a really bad thing, Mr. Grinch. I'm just playing. A pair of Balenciaga Alaska fur boots because my birthday's coming up and I never really treat myself. I got a hell of a deal. So let me show these big bitches. Don't prove us. Are you ready? Okay. I'm normally Euro 41 sometimes. And with my Balenciaga sizes, I normally size down to a 40, but I got the 39s. Because they were on sale. I got them like $600 off from Farfetch. I know you craving some fresh air, but the ceiling fan is so nice. All right, let's get the other one out. These bad boys are big. You could literally size down 3 whole sizes. Seriously, these are not everybody's cup of tea, but these are so cute. They're so comfy. I really gotta scoop my feet all the way to the top so I can even walk because these things are heavy. Like, they are not for the weak. They had their big old sunglasses in like a big bag and they were like stomping. These bad boys are heavy. They are such a nice vibe. I can really envision them with like oversized pants, like super mini shorts. Yeah, I think that they are such a vibe. Yeah, they're a vibe. But low key, y'all, I could have went down 2 more sizes or at least 1 more size. But they cool, I'm keeping them. They're just big. I think if I get them again, I would get black in a size 37.